G'day everyone, thanks for clicking on the video. It's been a minute. We're just out for a quick overnight camp just with the 4-wheel drive up to one of our favourite places we like to go to. Just me and my son. The girls are having girls night, so we're getting away. Right, I'll give you a quick show, just our simple setup. Very simple is best in my opinion. Can make it difficult if you have it so set up too much. Here we go. There's Rory over there. Right, just got the full drive. There's our tent. Rory giving everyone a wave. Just got the full drive. It's a nice little spot. It's clear now. It's pretty windy. It's meant to be windy for the entire trip. Raining. That's just Tassie. Anyway, we'll get back to yous. We'll go up to the beach later and we'll have a look around. Catch you soon. Oh, sorry about the wind. It's a bit windy. Over there, that's the Stanley Nut. Go over there tomorrow for a visit on our way. Well, it's not on our way home, but we'll shoot over there before we go home. Later on, the tide will be right up here. Sorry about the wind again. Might come up tonight for a fish if it's not too windy. What do you reckon, Rory?
Yeah.
Wind's starting to get a bit chilly now. It wasn't too bad earlier on. It wasn't too cold, but yeah. Oh, rightio. Catch you later. Right, I'm just going to walk through the track again, come out on the other side. Might not be as windy. Wind was near cutting us in half. Just around there. Get through here. Probably no different. Bloody nice to finally get away just for a night. Been flat out. And of course the we've had good weather up until this weekend, of course, when I finally get a chance to get out, but hey, that doesn't matter. Right, I'm coming out on the other end. No better. You know, that's out there. Can't see it really on the camera, but see if we can zoom in a little bit. Stanley. That's the nut. The nut is the remains of an old volcano. Plug from an old volcano. We'll head over that way tomorrow. It's nice while the sun's out. I'm just trying to figure out how to zoom this thing. I got a new camera, so I ended up getting a DJI Action 3, and then a few days later the Action 4 came out, didn't it? So I'm going to invest in the Action 4 as well in the new year. Rightio. Get back to you later. Right, back from our little walk. Got the fire blaring now, as you can see. Let that burn down. Keep it going for the rest of the night. Starting to get a bit dark. She's blaring away. And it's starting to spit and rain a little bit more, but that won't matter. Let that settle. Right. Have a look around. Some people starting to get a bit rowdy, noisy. You get that in these spots. Rightio. Catch up later. Probably later on tonight, or if not, catch up tomorrow. I'll see you then. That was a little native quail. Another one over there. Probably won't see them on the camera properly. There you go, eh? Coming to get a warm, or seeing what's happening. Right, we've packed up camp and we've headed up to windy Stanley. Sorry about the wind, it's bad, but we'll give you a look around. Out that way is, you got Smithton and that up that end, then the northwest tip of Tassie. Sorry about the wind. And out there's Bass Strait, all the way across the Victoria mainland Australia. I'm panning around, sorry about the white out from the sun. You might be able to see down there. Little Stanley, little fishing village. I look right around. Whew, it's freezing. Spring feels like it's winter still. Right, we're freezing. We're going to go down there and get a photo in the thing. Then we'll head down into the town. See us when we get down there. Right, a little bit of history here. We've got a flight from here from Arthur to Leonard Long. Flew from here, from Stanley. Yeah, he went from here to Torquay to Fisherman's Bend, across the Bass Strait, and that was, I think, 1919 in one of those. Some specs of the plane. All of 90 horsepower. I suppose it was pretty good power back then. Cruising speed of 137 kilometres an hour. Max of 167. Bit of info there. Yeah. Half a long. Successfully completed. Well, there you go. Right, we're just at a historic site here at the top of Stanley Highfield. There's a very dark past here in Tassie, of course, with our convicts and what happened with our native Aboriginal people. This is actually convict barracks. I've said that so you can have a read of it. And this is their barracks that they'd been. Well, it's sort of fell down a bit now, but it is, I think, now World Heritage, something like that now, whatever they call it. And they had built multiple buildings up that end Highfield. You can go do a tour and that up there of all the other buildings that they'd built and houses, all convict built. As I was saying, we've got a very dark past here in Tassie. Convicts and our Aboriginal people are absolutely wiped out. Anyway, thought I would show a quick show of that. Probably come back in the summer when it's a bit nicer and do a tour. You know, we'll head on down into Stanley. We'll just pop down into Godfrey's Beach here at Stanley. Sorry up there. There's the nut. Playground. There's an old cemetery over that end. There's a penguin walk along there. You can see the penguins of a night come in. Pointless going over there now because it's daytime. Have a look at that. Sorry about the glare. Right, we'll go and park down the street and we'll walk down the street and have a look at the street. There's a couple of plaques and that here. We'll give you a look at them. You can have a bit of a read of them. There's one around here of Matthew Flinders. Dr. George Bass. Give you a little bit of a read of that one. Pause on it, give it a read. Another one around here, just to commemorate. There you are. It's one of the islands, it's Flinders Island just out here, and then there's obviously Bass Strait after George Bass. Okay. We're up at the old Stanley Jetty. A few people up having a fish. We'll probably come back later and have a fish. There's the nut. I think it's an old volcanic plug with an old volcano at one stage. You can go up there on a chairlift around the other side and do a lap right around the nut. Everyone likes doing laps around the nut. Bit windy. Bloody freezing. Right. Get back to you later. Right, been for a fish and that. I'm not going to go for a walk through the town because it's absolutely windy as, starting to piss down now. So I'll catch you on the next one. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, it's quite shit right now. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. The next one will be on the bike, hopefully, even on another camp trip or something. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, subscribe if you can, if you want to. Get some more out as soon as possible. Rightio, cheers, see you later.